Hi everyone, so let's add our user entity all required attributes. It's not like just we need to store the email and password. There are a couple of more attributes which we are storing. So all these things we are importing from the user entity, and now we will add, okay, this is entity. So there is a syntax which we follow to create entities in the TypeORM. So the ID is auto generated column, then all these columns. So we are specifying type, length, select, unique. Email should be unique, varchar, length is minimum. I mean, you can just, you do not specify the length, then it will take more. Password, last name, first name, email, password, reset password, we can store the address. So all these attributes we are storing inside a user entity. And when I save this and when I start our application, so TypeORM will check, okay, you have updated the entities. So it will update the database table. So we have a refresh token, first name, name, all these respective attributes added here. So this is our user entity, and now what we will do is we'll go to the terminal and here I will just do npm run start. So I have updated a new entity. It should be able to load it, and here you can see it has updated things that we can see in the query. Table schema, and it should have some update query somewhere. Let me just see, because it has loaded the TypeORM app module, domain module.for root. We will also check the database. So we are using Postgres. You can just use the Postgres tool or Postgres admin to see the table structure of our database. So copy our connection URL, which is this, right? Copy this, and you can use this connection URL to connect to Postgres. So this is the user entity inside a user module. Let me fix this thing. What's the name? It's user entity. Let's replace it. Now I will start the application again. Okay, it did like create table users, and we can check this here. Okay, the table name is different. That's the typo. Earlier the table was user, so we can just delete this table. We can just use users table, and this is the structure of this particular table. We are storing refresh token, first name, last name, email, password, right? It just I changed the entity name, right? Earlier it was user, now it is users. So you see the power of TypeORM. It checks, okay, you have a new table, I will create a new one. Or if you are adding a new column, let's say first name, last name, or you can say family name or something like. I will start the application again. It checks, okay, you have added a new column. So you can see it has added alter table users add family name. So this is how TypeORM works, and all the relationships one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. Currently we have only one table to play with. This is the user entity. Now what we will do is we will write a user controller which will allow us to create users.